Hey Joe, this is George. Today we just received your email and from your email we know that you are asking us to do this kind of product for you, right? And how about we try another way? Because if you do another product, you may add your another SKU for your environment, right? I mean inventory. So for my opinion, I think you can using your existing product to achieve your goal, right? Which mean you can using your existing product to meet your target. For example, this is your Bluetooth. This is the Bluetooth audio amplifier in or play, and this one you buy from us, okay? And then this one working for you to meet your request for this product, okay? Sorry for my English, okay? First of all, you can using your smartphone assistant to do this job for you. Even your like say Android base or iOS base, they can working for you. How you can do that? First of all, let's say turn your Bluetooth and turn on your audio amplifier, Bluetooth audio amplifier. Okay. First of all, asking Google to pairing the Bluetooth for you, okay? Hey Google, pairing the Bluetooth. Hey Google, pairing Bluetooth. Pairing Bluetooth. As it always happen, okay? So never mind. Okay. Right now he pairing the Bluetooth already, right? And then first of all, because in this product you can hear the white noise. So let's say play the white noise. See, this is white noise. How about the second one? The second one for this product, it has the thunder sound. Okay. Oh, right. So like I say, thunder sound.
Sounds frequently mentioned on the web include thunder,
Play the thunder sound.
Thunder by Imagine Dragons, Source, playing on Spotify.
Stop. Thunder sound. Oh shoot. Thunder sound. That yeah, this is thunder sound, right? And how about the other one called ocean sound? Ocean sound. That's ocean sound. You hear that? Last one. Stop. Last one. Let's play the raining sound, okay? Raining sound.
frequently mentioned on the web include
rain sound. You hear that? All you need is your cell phone and the Bluetooth, indoor Bluetooth audio amplifier. That's it. So this is good for you. Why? Because if you put this advertisement on this product, then it got some add-on value. Okay, for this great product. But for this one, because see, for this one, you not only need to pay the tooling fee, but also this is the see, this price is no good. Why? 20.07. So which means you got a low interest. Okay, just sell for nothing. So this is not good. So good thing for you is our product can match your requirement with no paying anything. Okay, and last one. Stop. Let's say alarm. Okay. Wake me up at 12:28.
12:28 a.m. Set.
Okay, then see what's happened. Okay, and right now it's 27. Let's see. Right now it's 27 and I said 28. Okay, so when it's 28, it will be raining. Ringing. Ringtone will be show up. Okay. So for my opinion, remember, if you have anything already on sale, don't touch it. Just try to add a value on it. See? See, it's also ringtone. Okay. Stop. So that's it. So that's the reason, or so that's the thing that I want to show you today. Okay. Cheers. Bye bye.